In this lab simulation, I'll walk you through the steps taken to manually configure the DNS addresses on a workstation. The instructions provided basically says you would like to configure your friend's computer named Dorm PC to use a different set of DNS server addresses than the ones being delivered by the DHPC server. As you notice, they provided the preferred DNS server address and also the alternate DNS server address too. So let's go to the client, or the friend's computer. They're using a Windows 10 operating system. We'll go to the network status icon at the bottom right, click on Ethernet, scroll down, and go to DNS server assignment, which is already set to automatic DHCP. The instructions tell us to manually change it, so we're going to select manual, select IPv4, for that's the address that's given. Put in the information that's provided for both the preferred DNS and the alternate DNS. Once those are done, we're going to save it, and that's it.